Hi, my name is Seraya Gandour. I found out about the ICCA a while back, and I've done a lot of research about it, and I came across this gelato course which really infuses my passion. I would like to eventually have my own gelateria, so luckily I found this course that started on Sunday and really inspired me, and it helped me build my business, and it's helping me develop my recipes and understanding of the industry. And actually I have a newfound respect for gelaterias that I never used to understand before. My experience at the ICCA has been extremely pleasant, very enjoyable. The chef is brilliant, he's so responsive, he makes the whole experience even funner than what it is. And I look forward to using my knowledge that I learned here to progress with my concepts, and I'm going to get a head start very soon as I'm done to proceed with it. And hopefully you'll be seeing my gelateria very soon.